Right now, lawyers and a Hillsborough County judge are dealing with a surprise development in a grisly murder trial. Accused killer Edward Covington saying he wants to fire his defense team and plead guilty. Our Carson Chambers has been in court all day for the surprise development. She has the latest for us tonight. Carson?
Well, Jameson, doctors could be evaluating Edward Covington as early as tonight as we speak after a shocking revelation in court. Covington actually fired his attorneys, his legal team, telling a judge that he wants to represent himself and change his plea to guilty. The unexpected about-face came after emotional testimony from the victim's mother, Barbara Freiberg. The former detention deputy says he's responsible for what happened the day of the murders and wants justice and closure.
I assume you sentence me to death. It's what I do to myself. That's what I deserve.
And we're joined by Jeff Swartz from Cooley Law School today. Got a couple of questions for you. I heard you mention, I've heard of suicide by cop before, but suicide by judge, and you mentioned this phrase earlier.
Yeah, this is an attempt by the defendant basically to force the court into giving him the death penalty and removing consideration from the jury, assuming that the judge will go ahead and give him his wish.
This is a lot of weight on the judge's shoulders tonight, right?
The statute was originally designed and was designed to remove that kind of discretion from the court. I think Judge Fuente's in a very difficult position right now because he won't have a jury advising him, and he'll carry all of this on his own.
We've seen him have an outburst in court earlier today. If he is allowed to continue, or excuse me, not allowed to represent himself, what do you expect could happen in court with him?
It depends on his state of mind, but if he's denied the ability to waive his jury, which the state can not agree to waiving the jury, there may be an outburst. That would force the judge to remove him from the courtroom, reappoint the public defender to represent him, and basically get before the jury his mental state, which right now he doesn't want to put in front of the jury.
So much unfolding. We're going to find out tomorrow morning. Covington will be back in court. That is when we will find out if he is declared competent to enter this guilty plea. The judge dismissed the jury until Monday, so they're in the dark about all of this. We'll bring it to you live when we know more. Live in Tampa, I'm Carson Chambers. Back to you.